Hey guys, welcome back to KevTech. Today we're going to be unboxing my new PC. So I got the Alienware Aurora R8, and today let's unbox it and take you guys along for the ride. Hey guys, welcome back. So I took off the outer box and we are left with the inner box, which houses the PC and all the other goodies. So let's open it up. Let's just cut this. Alright. Let's see what we have. So when I open the top box up, you have the complimentary keyboard. I'll get to that in a second. We have a few wires, and we have my mouse, which also comes with the keyboard. So when you buy an Alienware Aurora R8, it comes with a keyboard and mouse. And it looks like we have the power cable here. Alright, so guys, I'm going to snake you just a little bit, and before we actually see the computer, we're going to take a look at the keyboard and mouse. So let's start with the mouse. Just going to tear it open like this. It's nothing special, it's just a mouse that comes with it. Although when you do order this online, you have to select an option to add a free keyboard and mouse. It doesn't cost anything extra, it's just you have to select it. You can't just order it and expect it to come. So here's the mouse, it's nothing special. Right click, left click, and scroll wheel. It's nice that they actually include one. And let's open the keyboard. Gotta pull this out a little bit. There we go. You guys get a first look. Again, it's nothing too special. It's just a keyboard that comes with the computer. Although it's still super nice that they include one. Alright, so now it's time to get to the good part. We're gonna actually pull out the computer. So let's take this out. This is my first time seeing it. Oh, it looks so nice. Alright, I'm gonna take this out. So it's a full metal housing, as I just said. So it's on the heavier side. Here it is. Let's just take this stuff off. And then we can set it upright. Alrighty, here it is. The Alienware Aurora R8. If you take a look at the back ports here, I have 15 USB ports. And I have a ton of other ports here. I'll go through that in a second. So right now we are going to do the peels and peel off all the plastic on my new computer. And it's done. This is now officially a used computer. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna get a list of the specs right here on the screen so you can read these while you can look on inside here and identify a few of them. So I have a GeForce GTX graphics card right there, and this is the power supply right here. So you just plug in the power cable right here, and that's how that turns on. So I'm gonna simply gently push this back into place. It's very stiff. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. This is the Alienware Aurora R8. I will leave a link in the description down below if you guys want to check it out. It's a super good computer. I'm super excited to have fun with it and just explore it some more. I really recommend you guys get it. And it's not a paid product placement by Dell, Alienware, or any of its associates. I will also leave a link to the 3 people who helped me film this videos in the YouTube channels in the description down below. Go check them out. They're great people. Give them a subscribe maybe. And thanks a ton for watching. This has been KevTech. See ya.